Hello beautiful people, this is a must-watch video for someone who has a phone that is consuming a lot of data. So in cases whereby your phone is consuming a lot of data, what you're going to do, you're going to go to your settings as you're seeing. So when you click on the settings icon, you need to first enable the developers option for the cases whereby you find that your phone it has no developer options. So what you're going to do, you click on settings, you tap on about phone, then depending on the type of phone you're using, for mine, tap on about phone, then I'm going to click on OS version 7 times. I have to tap there 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So once you tap there 7 times, you will have down here a message that you are now a developer. So when I try to go back and I click on additional settings, down here I'll have developer options. So under developer options, you go to the section of apps or applications. So let me scroll down up to the section of apps. So here's the section of apps. So on the section of apps, you're going to activate 2 options. The first option is do not keep activity, and if you enable this option, it will destroy every activity as soon as the user leaves it. So I'm going to enable it. Then the second option, it has background process limit. So for this one, it will not enable any application to run in the background. And if applications are not running in the background, that means your data is going to be saved. So if I select this option of no background processes, that means that I've disconnected all applications from running in the background. So that is the first step on how someone is able to save data on his mobile. Then the second step, let us see the second step or the second tip. What you're going to do, you go to your Play Store, you click on the icon, then it's going to load. Then here you're going to click on your profile pic. So when you click on the profile pic, it's going to display this interface. Under here, you're going to click on settings. So when you click on settings, it's going to display this interface. So here, you're going to click on network preferences, the section of network preferences. So under here, you're seeing a section whereby you have auto update apps. So when you click on auto update, when you select it, it's going to have these options: update with limited amount of mobile data, update over Wi-Fi, don't auto update apps. So in most cases, usually you have to update your apps on Wi-Fi only, because if you put on limited amount of mobile data, that means that whenever you have data on your mobile line, it's going to be used in making updates. So usually for me, I prefer the option of update over Wi-Fi only. So in cases whereby you don't want these updates, you can go ahead and select the option of do not auto update apps. But for me, I'll prefer the second one. I usually update my apps over Wi-Fi only. So once it is selected, then you can close and go back.